A recent viral video showed fish swarming instant ramen like it was the last meal on Earth. But what if this wasn't an isolated trick? What if every fish in the entire ocean suddenly became hopelessly addicted to eating ramen? First, we have to look at the nutritional profile of the average instant noodle block. It's essentially a compressed brick of refined wheat flour, palm oil, and massive amounts of sodium. Marine fish, naturally, thrive on high-protein, low-carb diets. If they switched entirely to noodles, we'd see an immediate aquatic obesity epidemic. The drastic shift in their fat-to-muscle ratio would ruin their buoyancy control. But worse, the ocean's predators would get incredibly lazy. Why would a great white shark burn thousands of calories chasing a slippery mackerel when it could just loiter behind a cargo ship, waiting for a shipping container of noodles to fall overboard? But the real ecological disaster happens at the bottom of the food chain. Small fish, like sardines and anchovies, are nature's lawnmowers. They eat algae and plankton. If they refuse to eat anything but carbs, the ocean's algae would grow completely unchecked. This triggers massive algal blooms that block sunlight from reaching underwater plants. When that algae dies, the bacteria breaking it down consume all the oxygen in the water. The ocean would, essentially, suffocate itself. And then, there are the flavor packets. If we dumped millions of tons of seasoning into the sea to feed the addicted fish, localized sodium and MSG levels would spike. We'd be, accidentally, marinating the fish while they were still alive. Ultimately, the marine food web would collapse. Our oceans would become thick, oxygen-deprived swamps, populated only by trillions of jellyfish and a few incredibly round, lethargic predators waiting for their next carb fix. So, it's probably best to keep the instant noodles in your pantry. The ocean is fragile enough,